Welcome to the Clean Classrooms for Carolina Kids Supplemental Information for Childcare Facilities and Schools video. Clean Classrooms for Carolina Kids is a partnership between RTI International and the North Carolina Department of Health and Human Services, along with the North Carolina Division of Child Development and Early Education as a liaison. In this video, we will cover how childcare facilities physically located within a school building or on school grounds should complete the program. We will briefly overview ways in which enrollment, testing, and on-site visits, viewing results, and mitigation differ than for standalone childcare facilities, as well as where to find any additional training and resources. To begin, let's discuss enrollment. There are some key differences in enrollment for childcare facilities and schools. For the water section of the program, your associated school will complete the enrollment survey for all parts of the building, including your childcare facility. You should work with your school to ensure that your taps used for drinking and cooking are correctly labeled and included. In the enrollment survey, your school can indicate these taps as located in the childcare portion of the facility. However, for the lead-based paint and asbestos sections of the program, even if you are located in a school, you will need to complete the enrollment survey separately from your associated school. Although in the same building, the school and childcare facility may have different responses on the survey due to separate on-site visit requirements. After you log into the Clean Classrooms for Carolina Kids portal, you will see your facility dashboard. Because your associated school will be completing the lead and water section enrollment survey for you, you will only need to select Begin Training for the lead-based paint and asbestos sections. After you complete the required video trainings, you will be granted access to the lead-based paint and asbestos enrollment surveys. You should complete these surveys for your childcare facility only. Your associated school will also be completing their own surveys. In the lead-based paint and asbestos enrollment surveys, you will be asked to select the type of licensed childcare facility you operate. When you choose one of the options that indicates you are located within a school, you will be asked to select the school by typing into a search bar. Please make every effort to find your associated school, as this will help our program link your surveys and any uploaded documentation together. Next, we will discuss testing and on-site visits. For the water section of the program, after your associated school completes the enrollment survey, we will ship them a sampling kit. Please work with your school to collect samples at all taps used for drinking and cooking in your childcare facility. For the lead-based paint and asbestos sections of the program, we will review your enrollment surveys to determine if you need an on-site visit to assess for lead-based paint and/or asbestos hazards. If both your childcare facility and associated school need on-site visits, we will try to schedule these visits together whenever possible. After the water testing and any on-site visits for lead-based paint and asbestos, you will be able to review your results. For the lead-based paint and asbestos sections, you will be able to view your results directly from your facility dashboard. You'll be notified when your results are ready and can choose the green View Results button as shown. For the lead and water section, your results may not show up in your dashboard because the school completed the enrollment survey for you. Instead, you can view your results from our program webpage. Choose the View Public School Facility Data Mapper option to see the results for both your childcare facility and associated school. On the Facility Data Mapper, you can search for your associated school to bring up their lead and water results, where you will also be able to see the results for the taps within your childcare facility. Please communicate with your associated school if you have any issues accessing these results. If hazards are found, you will be required to restrict access to or mitigate. For the lead and water section, if lead is detected at or above the state action level of 10 parts per billion for any of your taps used for drinking or cooking, our program fully covers mitigation. We will coordinate mitigation for any taps at your childcare facility and associated school during the same on-site visit as needed. For the lead-based paint and asbestos sections, if hazards are identified and you choose to mitigate the hazards, your childcare facility is eligible for 100% reimbursement of mitigation costs. Your associated school may also choose to mitigate any identified hazards in their portions of the building, but they will submit for reimbursement separately as schools are only eligible for 2/3 reimbursement of mitigation costs. And finally, resources and training. You can check out our resources and training page on our website for more information on how to complete the Clean Classrooms for Carolina Kids program. Thank you for helping us identify and eliminate lead and asbestos hazards where North Carolina children learn and play. If you have any questions, please contact our team using the QR code or website link on the slide. You can also call or text us at 1-855-997-2864 or visit our FAQs page. The Clean Classrooms for Carolina Kids team is here to help you throughout this entire program.